Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for this next series that I'm going to be sharing with you. For the next 6 weeks, on every Sunday, I'm going to share with you 5 of my favorite me time indulgences. So if you want to learn and be inspired on how to treat yourself like a queen every single day, just keep watching. A few weeks ago, I was watching Shea Whitney, I can't remember her name exactly right now. I'll leave it in the comments section. But I was watching her and she talked about something that every woman should do every day. And it really spoke to me. One of the things that she said was, every day women should spend at least 1 hour doing something that they want to do. Not that they have to do or need to do, but something that they want to do. And it just really struck a chord with me. It really did. And I just started to think about what are the things that I like to do for myself that I don't have to do, that I don't need to do. As promised, I'm going to share 5 of my favorite me time indulgences. I love a great cafe, and this place is so beautiful. You can just sit and enjoy the view and have an excellent cup of coffee. And then if they have great food on top of really good coffee, oh, this quiche was so amazing. I cannot stop going to this place now. I love trekking through Home Goods in search of something to make my home a little more luxurious. So I have a few rivers and different waterways near me, but I absolutely love the sound of the ocean. I sure wish it was closer. Anytime I can let my mind wander as I enjoy the water, it is a beautiful thing. So my husband does not cook. When my daughter says to me, "Come do a drive-by, Mom," I am all over it. I love, love, love when people cook for me. Love it. The whole process of making something so healthy and delicious makes having a homemade acai bowl that much more enjoyable. I include things like maca powder and collagen peptides in the smoothie itself. And just knowing that I'm putting in things that are going to make my cells happy makes me feel good eating it. And then I top it with things like cacao nibs and homemade granola, some chia seeds, and coconut flakes, not the shredded sweetened stuff. Not a fan of that. And then I have to top it with peanut butter, and ooh, that thing is so good. I hope that you have enjoyed the first 5 of my favorite me time indulgences. If you have, please like this video. Be sure to subscribe if you have not. Hit that notifications bell, and I will see you next week for more inspirational me time indulgences.